Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today I have an issue with my Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk with the climate control system. The blower doesn't work at times. It's very odd, and it usually happens when it's been sitting a while. So let me show you, and today we're going to hopefully take care of it. So just to show you, the climate control's on auto and no air is coming out of the vents. Even if I turn it up manually all the way to high, nothing. So this happens the first like 10 minutes or so. It varies, and then all of a sudden it'll start working again. Very odd. And then if the cabin is hot and it really needs AC, it will actually kick out a check engine light, and it has these two diags, which are blower motor codes. So that's what I tried first. So to get to the blower motor on these, you enter it through the passenger footwell behind the access panel, where if you saw my video on changing the cabin air filter, it's right here. And the blower motor is right behind it, right there. Now this is a Bosch supplied part, and it is available in a link below in my Amazon store, but it unfortunately turns out this did not solve the problem. Turns out the blower and resistor module did not work solving my blower problem. So I have a buddy, Mike, that works at a Jeep dealer, and he told me about this HVAC module that is next to change. So this resides behind the control plate here, and it's 3 bolts and 3 connectors again. So I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. I'm going to hook it up, see if it works, and I'll let you know. Well guys, it turns out that HVAC module did not fix it either, so I had to look for something else. And thanks to all my friends for suggesting different things. Someone said to check the relays. So the relays are in the fuse box under the hood near the battery, and this just lifts right off. Well, actually it turned out it wasn't the relays either. So, when I was checking them, I was pulling them in and out, and the blower was actually kicking on. So I ended up, this whole panel was a little loose. So I tightened them all up. There's 3 bolts here, and then I reset the connections, all of these on the edge of the panel here, and so far it's working. So I may have had just some loose connections there. I'm going to still monitor it, but for right now that seems to have solved the problem, and this has been a very annoying problem, really months. So I've been dealing with it. So hopefully if you guys run into this issue, check here first. Don't do what I did. Check the power side first before you go to the end of the problem. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this helps some of you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.